everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me. This morning I was racking my brain trying to think, what am I gonna make for supper? What am I gonna make for supper? And then I got an alert on my phone that my Home Chef box had shipped and would arrive by this afternoon. And I was like, hey, I don't have to think of what to make for supper now because supper is coming to my door. And Home Chef is sponsoring today's video, so a big thanks to them. And if you don't know what Home Chef is, they are a meal kit service where you order meals online and then everything shows up at your door, all of the ingredients that you need. The recipe is super easy to follow, and I think it's basically the best thing ever, especially for a busy stay-at-home mom. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I work from home, so I'm extra busy all day long. And with Home Chef, you don't have to worry about grocery shopping, you don't have to worry about meal planning, which I am horrible at. All you have to do is go on the Home Chef website, select the meals that you want, order them, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. You can get $30 off your first order. This is an awesome deal. I'll have all the details and the code down below. The code is Hannah30. Okay, so now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you what's in the box and everything that I got. I'm going to show you how it's all packed in there in case you are skeptical about how the perishable food is packed. So I'll give you a peek in here and show you what I got before we get cooking. First off, we've got the recipe cards. I got some pretty easy recipes for tonight. I had to get another smoothie. I got one of these last time and they're so good. It's an add-on to your order, and if you make a Home Chef order, then you definitely need to order a smoothie. Okay, so it is still really cold down in this box because they have all of these ice packs in here, and usually the one on top is going to be a little bit melted, but it's still ice cold, but the ice packs down in the bottom are still going to be completely frozen. So we've got all of our ingredients that we're going to need for our meals in here. So they always put any type of raw meat in the very bottom so that it stays nice and cold. So down in the bottom, these ice packs are still frozen solid. And under all those ice packs, we have our chicken breast fillets, which are still nice and cold. So while that chicken is cooking for the enchiladas, I'm going to do some cleaning in the kitchen. I need to empty the dishwasher, I need to wash some dishes, and by that time my chicken should be done cooking. So now that chicken is done cooking, I'm going to take that out of the pan and put it on the cutting board just to cool off and rest. And then I went ahead and cut up my onion and my jalapeno, and then I put those into the pan that I cooked the chicken in just to get them translucent until they were just nice and soft. And then I also added in some corn after that, and I love the idea of adding corn to my enchiladas. This recipe was probably one of our favorite meals from Home Chef so far, and I think from now on when I make chicken enchiladas, I'm going to add corn into the mixture because it was really yummy. Once the enchilada filling was done, I poured that some of the red enchilada sauce into the bottom of that pan, and then I started filling up the tortillas with the filling and rolling them up and placing them into the pan, and then I topped it all with red sauce, the excess enchilada filling, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. While those enchiladas were baking in the oven, I finished cleaning up the kitchen, I got the boys ready for bed, different things like that, and by that time the enchiladas were done cooking and they looked and smelled so amazing and they tasted really yummy too. Like I said, this was one of our favorite meals from Home Chef so far, but I did cook them a little bit too long, so they kind of fell apart when I took them out of the pan. So they don't look the fanciest plated on the plates, but they still tasted really good. We topped them with a little sour cream, some chopped up jalapenos. So we finished eating supper, the boys are in bed, and now I'm gonna make me and my husband some smoothies. So here is the finished smoothie. It is super yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to go and check out the Home Chef website. I have a coupon down below. You can get $30 off your first order with my code Hannah30, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.